Hello guys, welcome back. This is the render that we did together. I moved the camera and I let it run. It took 3-4 minutes on an old machine. This is an i7. This is an i7 machine with 6 cores, so it's pretty fast for 15 million points to be able to render this. Cool. So what I want to talk about is what I want you guys to work on for this week. So let me open this video. So what we've done is we talked about pops. We talked about a lot of ways to create various different effects. We talked about generating interesting curves, layering different effects by analyzing existing data. We talked about automating the saving to disk by using the global switch system. And what you can do is you can have, for example, if you have an environment, you can place a 3 statue or 4 statue and have them all do this kind of effect, and then set up the global switch system to only work on one of them, focus on one of them, and then when you set up the raw output to automatically switch the various inputs between the curves and things like that, so you don't have to worry about handling that. So you can create this, for example, something like this. You can create the impact here, similar to what we've done. You can create the circle, and make sure to push the quality with this one because we need a lot of details. I think for that probably I had 10 or 15 million, and the further away you are from the effects, the more details, the less details you're going to need, the less particles you're going to need. And let's see, this is the same effect, just with more tweaks on the turbulence and things like that, and I've played with the values of the attraction. And so I think I covered pretty much everything that was shown here, and I gave you a lot of techniques, and hopefully you guys have some ideas where you can use those. And yeah, with the use of this as well, I think you can take those curves and maybe use the expansion technique to randomize them and create something more interesting. If you want the custom swirling or anything like that, maybe you can lower the count and increase the radius of the spirally look and use that as a force instead. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and talk to you next week. Bye bye.